Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you the problems faced by the plants and the gardeners during the rainy season, and also about some advantages that the rains bring to us. So let's uh, examine each of them one by one. By the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, comment, like and share. So the number one in my list is shifting cacti and succulents indoors. Plants requiring less water like succulents and cacti should be shifted indoors. If it cannot be done, arrange for some temporary shelter which can be easily and cheaply done by using plastic or polythene sheets. And number two is controlling watering. As soil does not dry up easily during the rainy season and plants lose water less by transpiration, daily or frequent watering is not required. Water only those plants whose topsoil has dried up. Then remove bottom trays or dishes. Some people are in the habit of keeping bottom trays or dishes to keep the drained out water. You need to remove them as the soil in the pot cannot dry up if it is kept in water. Also try to keep the pots or on stands or on bricks. Check for fungal attacks, etc. Not only fungus but all the microorganisms like harmful bacteria, virus, insects, etc. will be active during the rainy season. So apply fungicides, etc. at least once a fortnight, not only on infected plants but on all plants. Remove dry and dead matter. Remove all the dead and dry leaves, branches, etc., whether on the plants or lying on the pots, to prevent fungal and bacterial growth. Then prune the leaves, branches touching the soil. Make sure the leaves and branches do not touch the soil. If they do, it increases the chances of infection. Do some pruning. Some plants send out branches all around, overlapping others. So at least do some soft pruning. You can even do hard pruning. Some plants that grow their root balls, filling all the pot and not allowing loosening of soil or manuring, surely needs root pruning and even repotting. Prevent root rot. This happens when the pot is waterlogged or there is standing water in the pot. Open up the closed drainage holes. If excess water does not drain out even after that, it means the soil, especially the soil at the bottom, is clayey and does not allow seepage of water. You may try to dig holes in the pot soil by the side of the pot to see if the water drains out. If it does not help, you may try to repot the plant using a well-trained potting mix. Manuring. As it is, plants do not need much manuring during the rainy season because the rainwater is the best growth tonic for plants. Rainwater contains varying amounts of major and minor micronutrients such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, chlorides, bicarbonates, sulfates, nitrates, nitrite, etc. However, you may apply moderate amounts of manure. Growing from cuttings, grafting, etc. It's the best time to grow new plants from stem cuttings or others, and also by grafting, layering, etc. And it's the best time to germinate seeds too. So thank you very much for your time. Until next time, when I come up with another video, please take care and bye bye.